Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolute must-have if you have a dog or a cat or anything with pet hair. This was sent over by a company called Dancemoon, and here you can see in the box. It's going to come with a simple instruction, but this is what the device looks like. And so what this thing does is it will remove pet hair off of your furniture, your rugs, any fabric, your shirts, whatever, and it absolutely is amazing. So as you can see here, it has these 5 little blades. You got kind of like a straight one with little teeth, a straight one with the teeth, and straight. This whole tip here is nice and flexible. It's all made out of a nice rubber. It's not going to snag or rip. It's very smooth. It doesn't hurt or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about it damaging any of your fabric or anything like that. And as you can see, it's got a 360 root kind of run around here. So you can easily use it on flat surfaces or on the ends. You can get those into like the crevices of your couch. It really gets out all that hair, and you just use it like a rake and just kind of scrape along, and it just gathers up that hair. Even hair that you don't see, it's able to get, which is absolutely amazing. It'll pull out that hair and that fur really quickly. As far as cleanup, after you just pile up the hair, just throw that away. This is all just made out of a nice little rubber, so you can just rinse this under the water and get it all nice and clean and just let it air dry itself. The handle's very easy to hold. Anybody can utilize it. It's got a nice little angle bend to it. And like I said, the top part is flexible, so no matter what your angle you're going on to it, it's going to flatten out and be utilized. Now, to give you an idea of the overall size of this thing, it's basically to the end. It's about 8.5 inches kind of long. The blade itself is about 4.5 inches across, and then it's about 1.5 inches in kind of height. And then as far as thickness, it's about a 1/2 inch total in thickness. But it's absolutely great. It's nice and easy to utilize. And like I said, if you have pet hair or you have a pet, a dog, cat, whatever, a rabbit that basically sheds it all, this thing is an absolute must. It's going to change your life. Totally recommend checking it out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.